Ha! Holla at the Magma. From JConcepts, we got the Magmas. Hey man, how long these things was on back order?
6 months.
6 months. My man from Let's Go RCing hit me up with the text and he said, yo, the JConcepts is in, fam. You gotta get them. You got to get them. Let's see what they really do. Man, these things is massive. All right, scale time. So you know what we did. We do it for the channel. We did it. We got them. MX43 822. MX57 685. X-Max belted 795. Genesis no foam 650. JConcepts Magma. Shit! 1,000 grams, the heaviest of them all.
The tallest, widest, and heaviest tire of the group, Magma 4013.
That's who got new shoes. The Mojave got new shoes. Paddles up. But we're not here for that. We're here to talk about the Magma 4013's Platinum Edition. Pre-glued wheels and tires. The forward paddle design gives it a massive bite. Weighing in at 1,000 grams, this thing is big, huge, and ready for the fight. Let's go bash.
So you said all that to say what? Experience more aerial control, longer wheelies, and the ability to do a 50-mile-an-hour rolling backflip. The deep spikes provide unparalleled traction. These wheels' massive weight adds to the torque vector of the powertrain.
All right, we're back on location. We have the Outcast 8S sitting on Magmas by JConcepts. We're going to run it in this video with the drone. I got my buddy here with us, Micah, retired Navy veteran, co-worker, and friend of the show. He said, hey man, I've been watching your videos and you know what you need more of?
Drone footage.
Drone footage. So I'm excited to see what this drone footage is gonna look like. He's excited to see if he could get the drone to keep up with the car. And hopefully you're excited to see this whole thing go down. And if you wanna see more videos like this one, subscribe, like, leave us a comment, and don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Frumble57. Oh, Micah, we got it! We got it! The whole field! Ah! I got too excited! Oh, wow! That is incredible, Magma. That is incredible. We're on 2 football fields, so we got about 100 yards on that one. That's incredible. Man down. Let's see what the damage is.